Hi viewers, welcome to Penhouse.in. In this video, we are going to see a short review on Parker Odyssey Precious Blue Gold Trimmed Roller Ball Pen. And here, this video is specifically taken to give you the clear insight on the pen, because just with photos you cannot fully understand about this pen. So here, this pen has a blue body and gold clips trim set, which has a gold clip and a gold ring on the cap and also on the body portion, and this is resembling different designs on the body, and the brand's name Parker was engraved in the round ring portion, and this is an easy pull type opening, and the refill is given here separately, and this is a golden grip portion which is looking so awesome, and this is a very good gift set for someone. And with this pen set there is a wallet is coming which has a very good space, and this is a completely a full leather one. This is a very good decent box which has a magnet here. You can unscrew this part to fix the refill here. And here, this is the refill. You can remove this cap for the usage, and it is a ultra fine navigator. There are two different gel refill rollerball refills are there. There is a very fine navigator and ultra fine navigator. And here I'm going to fix this. This is extremely smooth writing. The writing is so awesome, and it is writing so fine and so smoothly. Totally completely this is a very good gift box to give someone. And yeah, if you have any query about this pen, you can ask in the comment section, or else you can make a call to our mobile number. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.